Hi, I'm John Hinchliffe, the man from the Clapham Omnibus, and today I'm going to show you how to lift panels onto a higher level by yourself. Now what I've done, I've got one of my trusty baker's scaffolds, I think, and I've put two boards at the back so that when I pick a board up they don't slide off. One at the front so it doesn't slide forwards when I do it, and here we go, it's got to go from there to there, the other way around. Anyway, you get your board. Carry them on the shoulder for distance if they're farther away, and put it on there. Wheels should be locked over the side. Very important to keep the wheels locked. Don't skate around. Anyway, there you go. You've got one board there. You simply pick up half a board and up you go. This is where this board comes in handy. It stops it sliding forward. Particularly when you're on the roof. I'll do a few. Show how quick it is. And it's important to have something behind it so it doesn't move. Could clamp this on if you felt like it. And you go up. You mind? So now I'm going up there. I'm going to pull them up from up the top. The heights are quite important, because if this is too high, it's too difficult to lift. If it's too low, it's too hard on your back. But this is about right for me. You know what you do? Bend your knees, come down, grab the board, and up you go. And when you get there, pull it. Now I don't want to drop it because it scares people. So gently pull it off like that. And bend your knees, grab it, stand up, pull it back up. And this is why it's important to have that board at the bottom, because sometimes when you pull it, the board kicks out, and if it does, it's going to fall off the scaffold, make a hell of a mess. Possibly damage your sheet material. And there you have it. And there you have it.